Good morning all. Today we will be discussing some problems on area. So I will explain one problem. So similarly you have to complete all the other given problems. So let us do the problem. Consider the question. Mr. Taylor is laying tiles on the kitchen floor. The floor is 5 meter by 7 meter. How many 20 centimeter square tiles will he need to cover the floor? So here Mr. Taylor is laying tiles on the kitchen floor and the floor is 5 meter by 7 meter, and that means the kitchen floor is in the shape of a rectangle because its length and breadth are different. So the kitchen floor is in the shape of a rectangle. So let us draw a rough figure. So this is the kitchen floor, and let us mark its measurement. Length is 7 meter and breadth is 5 meter. So we marked its dimensions. Next sentence. How many 20 centimeter square tiles will he need to cover the floor? And here he need to cover this floor using tiles with measurement of its length is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter square means the length of the square is 20 centimeter. So here he need to cover this entire area of this floor using tiles whose length of its side is 20 centimeter. And the question is, how many tiles will he need to cover the floor? After covering the floor using the small tiles, we will get the floor like this. So here we can see that the square is being divided into equal parts, equal squares having the same area. So to find out the number of tiles required, we need to find out how many parts are there in total. So for that, which operation should be used here? We need to use division. So we need to divide the whole area by the area of the square tile. So first let us find out the area of the floor. Area of the floor is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 7 meter into 5 meter. But here the length of one side of a square is given in the unit centimeter. But here we have 7 meter and 5 meter, so we need to make all the units same. So we will convert meter, 7 meter and 5 meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So to convert a large unit into small unit, we need to multiply. We need to multiply it with 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So this will become 500 centimeter and 700 centimeter. So this is equal to 700 centimeter into 500 centimeter, that is equal to 3,50,000 centimeter square. So we got the area of the floor. Next let us find out the area of the square tile. Area of the square tile, since it is a square, area of the square can be found out by using the formula length into length. So this is equal to length into length, and length is given, it is already given, it is 20 centimeter. So this is equal to 20 into 20, that is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now we can find out the number of tiles required to cover the floor. I already told you we need to divide the area of the floor by the area of the tile. So the number of tiles required is equal to area of the floor divided by area of the tile. Area of a tile, that is equal to 3,50,000 divided by 400, and that is equal to 875. So we need, or Mr. Taylor, he needs 875 tiles to cover the kitchen floor.